Hey you guys, it's me Trudy. I am here with my second package from my Secret Santa. This one we were to send 3 crafty items to our partners that we can use, and I am going to share mine with you guys. Yummy! I already know I'm gonna love this. Awesome. Oh my goodness, look at what I got. Okay, if you guys don't know, I'm a super Disney fan. I love Disney. I love everything Disney, and this is awesome. And I do not have this, I can already tell you, the Prince and the Pauper. So this is awesome. Thank you, Secret Santa. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I have this elastic cord. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And I have a beautiful little note here. So, Merry Christmas in July. I hope you like the things I found for you. Happy crafting. Secret Santa. Love your Secret Santa. Secret Santa, thank you so much. If you guys have not seen some of the exchanges people are getting, go and check them out. All the information will be at the bottom in the description box. I hope you guys will go and show them all some love. Everybody's doing a wonderful everybody's doing wonderful in the gift exchanges. We've had a little bit of some hiccups with the mailing system, but I think everything's going to work out at the end, and we're all just going to be really patient. It is what it is, and it's just nice to have this in the summer, in these hot months, right? So thank you, Secret Santa. I do appreciate it, and I don't have any of this, which is awesome. Even if I did, I would still be so appreciative. So thank you so much. I will talk to you guys really soon. Bye.